G'day y'all, Mr. Shapelay with Shapelay Homestead. It's been a busy day. I just got home, but found a meat bird in the water, but he wasn't dead. He was still alive, but he was fell in the water. And then 3 meat birds were outside, stuck in the corner. So I saw those whenever I came in. Be nice once they get big enough that I don't have to worry about them anymore sneaking out. What? Oh, no. They're the food. Oh God. Yeah. Now, hopefully I got another layer left, because I don't know if I do. See all the birds leaving. Alright, so there's the fake egg. Alright. Now we're at these ones. So she has 2. And a little gray one. She's on a few. Or 3. There. Alright. Now there's a few up top, I'm sure. Up here, can't really see the sun's in their eyes. It's so hot, the poor birds are all... See, all their wings are down because it's so hot. There's 3 over there. Got eggs everywhere. All right. You're okay. I know it's hot. I know it is. All right. Well, if I'm out of layer, then I'll have to feed my meat builder for the night until tomorrow. Because I thought I had enough feed to do me. I thought about my feed today. See, when you got this many birds, they eat so much that you got to be on top of your food. Oh, Phoenix. Oh, Phoenix. Alright, so 2 more whites. And another brown. Another brown. That's all 1 day of eggs. It is 32 degrees Celsius here. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's warm. Holy smokes. Alright, what do we got for eggs? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I don't know. We got over 20 in 1 day. Alright, y'all. Have a good day.